Hey, 5th and 6th graders. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're getting out and enjoying the sunshine and doing things with your family. And I just hope that you're okay and that you're getting to do some fun things while you're having to stay home. I know it's really different. I miss you guys. It's so weird to teach this class and not have you here with me and so that we can talk. But anyway, I wish you the best, and I really do miss you, and I hope that sometime soon we'll get to see each other. Okay? All right. This week, the order of operations is going to be, actually it's going to be simpler than last week's. I almost wonder a little bit if I put these in the wrong order, and I'm sorry if I did. First thing I wanted to review with you, though, is PEMDAS. Okay, let me move this back so you can see it all. Okay, so remember the P stands for please. Okay, the whole thing stands for please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The P is for parentheses, the E is for exponents, the M is for multiplying, D dividing, A adding, and S subtracting. Okay. Oh, where did I put? I put an S. I meant to put a subtraction sign. Sorry. Okay, so that's what these stand for, okay? We're going to talk a little more about the exponents, which is that little number by the 2. Okay, if I have an exponent, the exponent means how many times I'm going to multiply that number by itself. So like in the example, 2 to the 3 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 2's here, and it goes, so it's 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Let me do another one. Let me do 5 to the second power. And since it's to the second power, there's just going to be 2 5s. So 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so 5 to the second power is 25. All right, let's try 3 to the 4th power. Well, that's going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, okay? Because there's 4 3's here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 times 3 is 81. And an easier way to do that would be 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Okay? All right. You can break it up like that to do it. So remember, that little number is just how many times you multiply it, the number by itself. You're gonna, 3 to the 4th is going to have 4 3's. 5 to the second, 2 5's. 2 to the third, 3 2's. Okay? All right. So let's look at this first problem. And if you did fine on last week's, which I bet you did, this week is going to really be a breeze. So the first problem is 2 times 6 to the second power. Okay. And, you know, our saying, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, well, we don't have any parentheses, but we do have exponents. This has 6 to the second power, which we know is 6 times 6. So I'm going to change that. 6 times 6 is 36. So I'm going to change this to 2 times 36. Okay? Then I've got to multiply 36 times 2. Okay? So 6 times 2 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So my answer is 72. Now when you guys are doing your work on your paper, I want you to show me this work, okay? So if you get something wrong, then I can see how you got confused, and then we can talk through it. Okay? All right. So let's do the next the problem right below that. And that is 2 plus 3 times 8. All right. 2 plus 3 times 8. Now, remember, with our order of operations, we do multiplication or division before we do adding or subtracting. So, first thing I need to do is 3 times 8. And 3 times 8 is 24. So, I'm going to put 24 where that was, and I'm going to bring the 2 down. So then 2 plus 24, 26. Pretty easy, huh? Okay. All right, let's look at another one. Okay. 9 minus 5 times 4. Okay, this time we have parentheses. So we always do what's in the parentheses first. 9 minus 5 is 4. And then we bring down times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And I wrote that kind of big, but anyway, that's our answer. So this is what I should see on your paper, okay? There's plenty of room underneath each problem to write your work up. All right, let me do this one. 10 plus 3 to the third. Okay, no parentheses, but we do have an exponent, okay? 3 to the third, remember, is 3 times 3 times 3, okay? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So I'm going to change that to 10 plus 27. Right, I brought the 10 down. 3 to the third is the same as 27. 10 plus 27 is 37. Pretty simple, huh? Okay. All right, let me look and see. Those are all from the first paper. Let me see if there's anything. All right, let's see. Let's do this one. It's on the second page. They have parentheses 6 minus 2 divided by 4. Okay, so I have to do what's in the parentheses first, remember? So 6 minus 2 is 4. And it's divided by 4. Well, 4 divided by 4 is 1, because there's only one 4 and 4. Okay. Now let me look at, here, there's another one on this page that I'm going to do with you. All right, we have 2 to the third divided by 4. So 2 to the third is the same as 2 times 2 times 2, right? So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So then I have 8 divided by 4. Okay, now remember, that would be written 8 divided by 4. So how many 4s are in 8? There's 2. So our answer is 2. Okay. Now let me look through a little more. Okay, on the last page, here's one, and it's 9 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay, no parentheses, no exponents, no multiplication, but there is division. Okay, so we have 8 divided by 2, which is like this, 8 divided by 2. So how many 2's are in 8? There's 4. So this becomes 4. And then I have 9 plus 4, which is going to be 13. Okay? Yeah, these pages are a lot easier. And I'm sorry, this is the one that you should have started with last week. But I think from what I understood, you guys were doing pretty well with your work. So anyway, just think of this as a break from the week before. Okay? Anyhow, I miss you guys so much, and have a good time this week, and we'll see you as soon as we can. Love you guys. Bye.